A plane travels at a bearing of 52 degrees from point A for 12.3 miles. So we are going to start with point A here. And since we have a bearing at the first direction, we want to be able to build your x and y axis. Now remember that you want to make sure that you make the drawing as accurate as possible so you can figure out the angles that you need for your triangle. So that's your y-axis, this is your x-axis, and this is going to be point A. That's going to be your starting point. Bearing of 52. Now remember that whenever we have a bearing of 52, navigation, we start from the north towards the right. And we want to go 52 degrees. So halfway mark is 45, so we're just going to go a bit more. So that'll be 52 degrees. So we're going to go 52. And we're going to make it the line. And that'll be 12.3 miles. So therefore this angle here is 52 degrees. Then the plane then travels north. So I'm actually going to have to draw over the right. I apologize for that. So from here we're going to go straight north. And for 7.2, so therefore I'm going to go a little further. This is 12.3, so therefore 7.2 should be a little higher. Maybe not as long, probably up to here. And it's asking you to find out how far is it away from point A. So therefore this is 7.2. And you are going to end up with two right triangles that will help you find the angle that you need. Here's one. And we know that this is right triangle because this is your y-axis and we went straight up north. So therefore this is a right angle. And these two lines will be parallel. Now another right angle that we'll have that might be helpful is this right angle or this right triangle. Now one of the hints that you will have is since we have the two sides, you most likely will have to find the angle in between. So the first thing that you need to think is, okay, can I figure out what this angle is? I know that this is 52 from here to here, but I will not be able to have an idea of what the angle is unless I find this angle in between. So that's not going to be very helpful. And will I be able to find this angle here? Since this is a 90-degree angle, if this is 52, I know combined will be 90. So therefore 52 minus 90 degrees, or 90 minus 52 will be 28 degrees. Oh, excuse me, 38 degrees. So 52 plus 38 will be 90 degrees. So from there, I can go ahead and figure out that this is 38. So therefore, all three angles are equal to 90, or 38 and 52 degrees will give you 90. We can just do 180 minus 90 minus 38 will give you 52. And or some of you know that these ones are parallel lines and this is a transversal, so therefore if this is 52, automatically you know that this is 52. And from there, I know that together will be 180. So 180 minus 52, and let me go ahead and type that into my calculator. So in this case, I'm just using my iPad to clear this up. So 180 minus 52 will give you 128. Now from here, I have the two sides and the angle in between. So therefore, if I need to be able to find how far is it from the port, that'll be x. I can use the law of cosines. So it'll be x squared is equal to one of the sides, 12.3 square, plus the other side, which is 7.2 square, minus 2. I'm going to repeat my sides, 12.3, 7.2, and the cosine of the angle between, which is 128 degrees. And since there are no variables on the right hand side, I can just go and type everything in at once in my calculator. And 12.3 square plus 7.2 square minus 2 multiplied by 12.3 multiplied by 7.2 multiplied by the cosine of 128 degrees. Close my parentheses. Make sure that you have it on degrees. And from there, that'll be x squared is equal to 312.17. I'm going to leave down to my calculator. I'm just going to take the square root of my answer. So therefore, x will equal to 17.7. And we are working with miles. So that'll be the value of x, and that's how far it is from the port.